Good morning. How you doing? I am Chris Thompson, and today is closing day. One of my investor clients buying another property over in Imesville, Monrovia area off of Dr. Perry. Going for the final walkthrough, then we're off to settlement. See you there.
Well, I thought it was wrapped in shipped or something. I don't know. I don't care. I care about. I'm thrilled. That's wonderful. Thank you.
Just leaving the bank now. Good old M&T here in Damascus. Buying another property in Ohio. This one's going to cash flow me $600 a month. If you want to learn how, drop me a comment. Same outfit, same day. Different bank. Well, same bank, just different location. Just got clear to close on a 6-unit that some of my partners and I are buying out in Ohio. So now I'm back at the bank to send another wire. Let's get it done. Just leaving the bank. Our next wire is sent. Let's pick up some more rental properties, shall we?